Welcome! If you're looking to clear your entire comments history on Instagram, you've come to the right place. Whether you want a fresh start or just want to tidy up your digital footprint, today I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove all your Instagram comments with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to clear your comments. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of all your interactions, including posts you've liked, your search history, and, of course, your comments. Next, tap on Comments. Here, you'll see a list of all the comments you've made across Instagram, neatly organized for you to review. If you want to clear everything, look for the Clear All option at the top of the screen and tap it. Instagram will ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you really want to delete all your comments. Take a moment to double-check, because once you confirm, this action can't be undone. If you're sure, tap Confirm. And that's it. All your comments history is now wiped clean from Instagram. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference if you're looking to maintain your privacy or just want a clean slate. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.